The market is beyond crazy good, and Florida is second to Texas when it comes to the top destinations to relocate, and our team is feeling the influx here on the Gulf Coast. It's the burst of sales that continues with pent-up demand and low interest rates, and we expect vaccine distribution will start safely opening travel more and more. I'm hoping that we're at the beginning of a long-term recovery because that would be amazing for all of us. Hi, my name is Kim Dowling, and every month we like to dive deep in the market here on our beautiful Gulf Coast and see where we're sitting exactly for real estate. So let's take a look at the data that was just released by the MLS for the month of January. Homes under contract in January went up a tremendous amount with a 28% increase from December to January. So yes, inventory is low, but don't be fooled. We are putting buyers under contract every day, and sellers are pulling out a crazy amount of equity right now. But here's the catch. It's not going to last forever. All of this will settle down at some point. That's what real estate markets do. They move in cycles, and my prediction is that we will see a wave of new listings hitting the market in the spring. It's going to heat up. Just watch and see. So buyers, have you made offers and you keep getting beat out, or you just can't find a home? We have the inside track to get you access to homes before everyone else does, and the experience to write offers that will get you into your new home. And for our sellers, we are no strangers to this market, and we know how to pull every dollar out for you from your home. We have the most aggressive marketing and knowledgeable realtors that know how to sell your home and sell it safely. I know many of you are waiting to sell because you just don't know where to go, and you keep hearing about how tough it is for buyers. If you're ready, we don't want you to miss out, and we have a plan to find you the right home and keep you in your home for 60 days or more. So just give us a call and we'll walk you through step by step how you can make money today and move into a new home that will fit your new lifestyle tomorrow. We can make it happen, and we can do it perfectly around your goals, I promise. So let's get you moving before the inventory jumps up, and then you're gonna have more competition. And speaking of competition, new listings went up month over month in January by 24%. Wait until spring. We're going to see even more homes on the market. And I believe it's going to stay a fast-paced market for the entire year. So you've got to be ready to go and work with a realtor that has the knowledge and expertise to protect you every step of the way. We are the team that can make you competitive on the buy and sell side. And listen, market update videos, they're not an advertisement for our company here at Coastal. I 100% want you to know what's happening in the market. But this video is also viewed by hundreds and hundreds of people that are thinking of buying and selling. And I want to make sure that our neighbors in our community have the resources that they need when they're ready for help. And know that our agents are following safety protocols. They're doing a fantastic job making sure our sellers and our listings are protected, making sure they can safely match buyers and sellers to the perfect home. Our priority is to get you where you want to be, 100%. And as we close out February, we still see the same amount of inventory we saw for January. And sellers, you continue to be in the best position of pulling top dollar out for your home while selling faster than we typically see. But you've got to be really smart about your sales price. Not every house is selling, and we're seeing more homes that are priced incorrectly sit on the market. So we can help you. There's a magic formula of strategic marketing and the highest price possible. It's a very important balance that we walk. We want you to be able to take advantage of every opportunity this market has to offer. That's one of the most important reasons for our monthly market update. So you can look at the numbers, look at your options, and make informed decisions. And right now, within our MLS coverage area, the number of homes sold in January decreased by 25% month over month. But the big picture shows us that we're still 15% up over last year. Sales prices are staying level month over month, but we are still seeing massive increases in home values at 17% higher than this time last year. Home prices in Florida are rising at the fastest pace in more than 6 years. And in 2020, home price increases hit a 14-year high. Each month, we also like to take a look at listings on the market. We dropped by 14% last month, and average days on the market went up to 44 days. But as a side note, although the average days on market went up to 44 days, it's still down 27% from this time last year. So it's all crazy good news that continues to pull us through the first quarter of the year. If we can help you in any way, reach out. That's our job, to make sure that you're cared for and that you're in good hands. Our agents here at Coastal, they'll continue working hard for all of our amazing clients. And I'll be back next month to let you know how we wrapped up February. Wishing you and your family all the best, and we are a phone call away when we can be of service to you.